everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 squares with the Rubik's Twist 24 block. So pretty much turn the first block 2 times, okay, and then turn the next block towards you like that, okay, and then turn that block to the left, okay, and then count 1 block, and then turn everything else up twice. Then count 3 blocks, turn everything else to the right. Count another 3 blocks, turn everything else to the bottom, like that. And then so turn this block, turn that up, and then turn it to the right. Okay. Alright, and then that block, make it go down to the bottom. Okay, look at it from the back. Make that face towards you. And then turn this block so it's like towards you. And then now count 3 blocks, and then turn it towards you. Count another 3 blocks, then turn it towards you. Oh wait, sorry. I messed that up. Okay, sorry, count 1 block and then turn it towards you, and then count 3 blocks, turn it towards you, and then count 3 blocks and turn it towards you, and then this final block down the bottom. So you see how it's like that, make it like that, so turn it down to the bottom, and there you go. You now have the 2 squares pattern on the Rubik's Twist. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.